How to use Apple Pay or Google Pay on McDonald's app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay on McDonald's app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, one thing that you can do is during delivery, cash on delivery, or where when you want to pay after the food is delivered, what you can do is you can simply pay like you always do using the Apple Pay or Google Pay app directly. So that's one thing. Other than that, you can simply use the Apple Pay or Google Pay in the McDonald's app. For that, you can open up your McDonald's app, tap on the More button on the bottom right. Then there you'll find different options. If you tap on Profile, you will be redirected to your profile. And right there, you can add new payment method. From there, you can find your Apple Pay and also your Google Pay. You can tap on either one and use that to pay. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.